Hi there, welcome to the Uke Stuff channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial for one of my ukulele chord melody songs that is available for free at my website at ukestuff.info. This is for Down in the Valley. Now I do want to mention a few other resources. It is also included in a book of chord melodies that I publish that you can purchase as a collection, just so that they're all in one spot, and also to support the work in this channel. I also have some books available for hymns and carols. And if you go to my website, you won't only find some of the chord melodies I have available there, but also the works of Elizabeth Ragsdale, Tony Krimlisk, a link to the website of Spencer Gay's Uke Education, as well as to the works of the late ukulele Mike Lynch, although those are paid. If you want to support the work in this channel, beyond buying the books, you can also like this video. You can subscribe to my two YouTube channels, the Uke Stuff channel and the Uke Playlongs channel. And you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. In this video, first of all, I'll demonstrate the song on GCEA ukulele. Then I'll demonstrate on baritone DGBE ukulele. Following that, I'll do a tutorial on GCEA ukulele and a tutorial on baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, let's do a tutorial for Down in the Valley on GCEA ukulele. We're gonna start with third string open, second string first fret, second string third fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2 of the F chord, full F chord, second string third fret, second string first fret. Then I use 2 fingers on strings 4 and 2 at the third fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. And I do an extra chord here so that there's some sense of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, otherwise it gets lost. Then third string open, second string open, second string third fret, C7. Then jump down with those 2 fingers again. Then lift up the ring finger, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string first fret, second string third fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. That's going to copy exactly. So 3rd string open, 2nd string 1st fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, F chord strings 4, 3, and 2. F chord, 2nd string 3rd fret, 2nd string 1st fret, that's C7, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2 of those. 3rd string open, 2nd string open, 2nd string 3rd fret, C7. That other C7, strings 4, 3, and 2. Lift up the ring finger. String 2, 1st fret, string 2, 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And 2 of those. Then what we're going to do is we're going to change keys to the key of G. So you're going to play 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, 1st string open, G chord. And then what I've been doing is reaching my pinky over and playing the 4th string 4th fret there. Strings 4, 3, and 2. Back to the G chord. 1st string open, 2nd string 3rd fret, 2 Hawaiian D7s. 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 2nd fret, open, bar the 2nd fret, 2nd finger plays the 1st string 3rd fret. Then Hawaiian D7, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string 3rd fret, 1st string open, and then a different G chord. So the 1st finger is on the 3rd string 2nd fret, the 2nd finger is on the 2nd string 3rd fret, and the ring finger plays the 4th string 4th fret, strings 3, 2, 1. And I would do that there instead of also playing the G chord and crossing over. It's just easier to change to that there. Then we repeat that. 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, 1st string open, G chord. Then reach over the pinky, strings 4, 3, and 2. Full G chord, 1st string open, 2nd string 3rd fret, 2 Hawaiian D7s. 2 of those. 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 2nd fret, 1st string open, bar the 2nd fret, 1st finger plays the 1st string 3rd fret. Hawaiian D7, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string 3rd fret, 1st string open, and then the alternative G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2 of those. And that's Down in the Valley on GCEA Ukulele. Now let's do a tutorial for baritone DGBE Ukulele. We're going to start with the 3rd string open, 2nd string 1st fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Full C chord, 2nd string 3rd fret, 2nd string 1st fret, and then I use 2 fingers to play this alternative G7. So finger 2 goes on the 4th string 2nd fret, and the finger 3, the ring finger, goes on the 2nd string 3rd fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. 2 of those. I do that so that the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 action doesn't end in the song. 3rd string open, 2nd string open, 2nd string 3rd fret, we get our G7. That alternative G7, strings 4, 3, and 2. Lift up the ring finger, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string 1st fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2 of them. Then that's going to repeat. So, 3rd string open, 2nd string 1st fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Full C chord, 2nd string 3rd fret, 2nd string 1st fret, and then that alternative G7 chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2 of those. 3rd string open, 2nd string open, 2nd string 3rd fret, G7, the alternative G7, strings 4, 3, and 2. Lift up the ring finger, play strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string 1st fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, 2 C chords, strings 4, 3, and 2. Then what we're going to do is change keys right on the fly, and you're going to make the D chord. You're going to play 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, 1st string open, D chord. And then for this next chord, I just reach my pinky over temporarily and play the 4th string 4th fret, strings 4, 3, and 2. Then I lift up the pinky, and back to normal D chord. 1st string open, 2nd string 3rd fret, and then a Hawaiian A7. There's really no such thing on baritone, but on GCEA ukulele, we call this chord the Hawaiian D7. So there's not a D in the Hawaiian D7 on GCEA, just like there's not an A in this A7 chord. So we'll call it a Hawaiian A7, even though it's not officially named that. So then what we're going to do is we're going to use our 1st finger on the 4th string 2nd fret and our 2nd finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret. Play all 4 strings, 2 of those. Then 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 2nd fret, 1st string open, bar the 2nd fret, pull against the fretboard, add your thumb for some support, second finger plays the first string, 3rd fret. Then we're back to that Hawaiian A7 again. Happens again, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, 3rd fret, first string open, and then we're going to play that other D shape, but we're going to move our fingers around for that. First finger is going to play the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Second finger is going to play the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And the ring finger is going to play the 4th string, 4th fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. 2 of those. That's going to happen at the end of the song too, because we're just going to repeat now. So 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, first string open, D chord. Bring your pinky over to the 4th string, 4th fret, play strings 4, 3, 2. Normal D chord. First string open, 2nd string, 3rd fret, that Hawaiian A7. 2 of those. 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, first string open, bar the 2nd fret, second finger plays the 1st string, 3rd fret. Hawaiian A7. Hawaiian A7 again, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string, 3rd fret, first string open, and then that alternative D shape, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's Down in the Valley on baritone DGBE ukulele. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of one of my ukulele chord melodies, Down in the Valley. Again, available for free at ukestuff.info, also available in a collection that I sell. I hope you are having a great day, and I will be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.